Convert string June 1, 2005 1:33 p.m. into datetime. How do I convert the following string to a datetime object?
Datetime.striptime parses an input string in the user-specified format into a timezone-naive datetime object. To obtain a date object using an existing datetime object, convert it using .date. Links: StripTime docs, Python 2, Python 3. StripTime/StripTime format string docs, Python 2, Python 3. StripTime.org format string cheat sheet. Notes: StripTime equals string parse time, StripTime equals string format time.
Use the third-party datetutor library. It can handle most date formats and is more convenient than StripTime since it usually guesses the correct format. It is also very useful for writing tests, where readability is more important than performance. Install it with
Check out StripTime in the time module. It is the inverse of StrofTime.
Python is greater than or equal to 3.7. To convert a YAMDD string to a datetime object, datetime.fr emisso format could be used. Caution from the documentation. This does not support parsing arbitrary ISO 8601 strings, it is only intended as the inverse operation of datetime.iso format. A more full-featured ISO 8601 parser, datoodle.parser.isoparse, is available in the third-party package datoodle.
Datetime.